What is up, guys? I am back. My phone just accidentally turned off. But here's the revealing result of the slime we just made. It's really, really, really big. Dad, on a count of 1 to 10, how do you like the slime? Dad.
10.
He helps me mix it. If you guys didn't know, because you missed part of it, which I'm pretty mad about. It's really rippy. So, and I don't like rippy slimes. So my dad should just keep playing with it. So yeah, I'm just playing with it. It doesn't feel too bad. It just feels like there's like a big blob. It doesn't make bubbles, like boom, no bubble. It makes crunchy sounds, and I like that it does, cause like it's really nice. But like if you take this part of it, see, it's really rippy. Daddy says it's nice. It's good. I say it's horrible. Cause look at that. When you want to stretch it fast, rip. See, like, I don't get the point making slime if it's just gonna rip. See? I don't get that point. People say it's good. I say it's bad. We added a little foam beads to them, if you didn't notice. Like these little nice foam beads. Let me just try to get it out of this part of the slime. Yeah. I got it out perfectly. And there's like these little like snake eggs. They're really tiny and smushy. They're foam beads. And like what I like to do is I like to make slime crunchy. It's not crunchy like at all. So it's all jiggly and rippy. Daddy, I'm playing with the slime, but it's like, do you want to feel it? We didn't even have shaving cream, guys. And it's this big. Not as good as this one, but I like the pink one better because it's not as rippy. So look, compared to the pink one. Pink one's way fluffier, and that's the blue one. It's not even that stretchy. Like, look at that. Can't even stretch. Like, doesn't even fit a bowl. I'm like smushing it into here. This is not even its bowl, but this really looks like in a bowl. Big. I personally like the pink one. My dad gave me a gigantic one. Doesn't even fit. It's like, this is so big. Dad, can you come feel the slime for me?
What?
Can you come feel the slime?
What?
Can you come feel the slime?
Yeah, you say.
My dad will say, oh, it's good, sweetie. You don't need it's not bad. I'll say, do this. Check that out.
What?
Do this. What do you think about it? Doesn't make a bubble. I don't get how you say you like it. It's bad.
I like it like this. Let's go and give it time.
The pink one was good when we first made it.
Well, do the crunchy slime makes bubbles?
Yeah, it does, but this one had it ruined.
How's it ruined? How's it ruined?
It's so jiggly. It's not even.
Okay, give me a
It's
second.
not even the slime.
Are we gonna throw a fit?
No. Maybe you overactivated it.
Hey. Hey.
I got it. The activator is making it more jiggly.
You gotta mix it in, honey. It's not just instant. You gotta mix it in. You gotta get it deep in there. You gotta mix it.
Here, let me do it. Let me do it.
It's not instantaneous.
I don't even know what you said.
Instant?
Instantaneous.
Instantaneous means that you just add it and it turns into slime. Not like that. You have to work at it.
I'm working at it. What do you think, guys? What do you think? With the activator. Put it down in the comments, just from the activator. What do you think the slime is? Good or bad? Myself personally thinks it's bad. My dad thinks it's good. I personally think the pink one's good. That one's really good. This one's just... How do I even describe this? But look at that. See? Dad says to work at it. Activator's making it more bigger, smushier, and jellier. You have to put pressure into like stretching it. I don't know, guys. What do you think? See that? That didn't even make a bubble. Dad, can you give me reasons why you like this slime? Dad, give me reasons why you like this slime.
Let me see what's wrong with
That one's wrong. This one's not wrong. You don't have to put pressure into, like, doing it.
You don't think the bubbles made it worse? You made it like this?
What? What bubbles?
The crunchy bubbles?
The foam beads?
Mm-hmm.
Foam beads are good for slime.
Mm.
Okay, guys. Here's
Maybe if you let it sit for a little bit because it's so new and that one's older, maybe you let this one sit for a little bit, it'll turn into that. See what I'm saying? So,
I'll let it rest for 2 hours.
so let this one sit for a little bit and see what happens after.
Okay.
Alright?
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe if you like this slime. I personally don't. Like, look at this. What is this? Like, comment down below if you think the foam beads made it worse.
Here, I just said let it sit.
I know, I just want to feel it one more time. Comment below if you think the foam beads made it worse. I personally did not. I think just my dad added too much activator and got overactivated.
Alright, making you pizza, one slice of pizza.
Okay.
We'll have some strawberries.
You're gonna have some strawberries?
Wash your hands first.
I don't want strawberries.
We just went and picked all these.
I know. I want to save them. Strawberries deserve to live. What? I thought we were gonna make chocolate strawberries.
Who said we were making chocolate strawberries?
Me.
Okay. No.
What? I'm not playing with it.
You just stuck your finger down there.
No, because the strawberry was stuck.
That's fine. Don't ever turn that on again.
Okay. Ow! Dad! It's not funny. Dad's making me a slice of pizza, guys. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below. No.
Yes, we just went and picked these. It's fresh.
Comment down below how many strawberries you think is in here. I personally do not. Dad, do you know?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, do you know how much strawberries are in there?
4 pounds.
Almost 4 pounds of strawberries. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, 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 bye.